GPT Serax 5.0 review, scam or legitimate trading platform. Prateek Arora last updated April 25, 2024 at 8:27 GMT plus 39-minute read. Disclaimer. The text below is an editorial article that is not part of Cryptonews.com editorial content. Our mission is to dismantle these barriers by forging alliances with paramount purveyors of crypto trading knowledge and instrumentation. GPT Serax 5.0 makes promises to be the great equalizer for crypto investors. But can GPT Serax 5.0 actually provide the entire arsenal needed to reign supreme? Our comprehensive review aims to provide a clear picture. GPT Serax 5.0 summary. Visit GPT Serax 5.0. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. What is GPT Serax 5.0? GPT Serax 5.0 claims to be a comprehensive cryptocurrency trading platform that aims to provide educational resources, analytical tools, and access to broker partners. However, some of their claims about being an industry leader should be viewed with skepticism. The platform boasts a suite of educational courses on cryptocurrency trading, both spot and derivatives. It states that its content is visually engaging and frequently updated, though independent reviews would be needed to validate its quality. GPT Serax 5.0 also touts AI-powered trading research mechanisms and risk management tools. However, the specifics are unclear. While they highlight integration with over 10 third-party trading tool providers at no extra cost, the platform itself is vague about what these tools actually are. There are no previews provided, and the supposed positive reviews from financial analysts and bloggers read more like marketing copy than objective assessments. GPT Serax 5.0 emphasizes free access for all investors and only makes money from traded profits. However, it provides no transparency in its pricing structure or revenue model. The claims of robust security, GDPR compliance, and multilingual support are positive, though unverified. Overall, GPT Serax 5.0 makes bold claims about being an elite crypto trading education and technology platform. However, substantial third-party validation and transparency into their offerings would be needed to assess those claims fully. A healthy dose of skepticism is warranted based on the information provided. GPT Serax 5.0 pros and cons. Pros. Claims to offer comprehensive crypto trading education, promises access to premier crypto brokers, advertise integrated third-party trading tools, highlights the AI/data-driven trading analysis capabilities, offers 24/7 multilingual customer support, free registration with no subscription fees. Cons. Complete lack of pricing transparency, no verifiable details on education content, third-party tools and brokers not identified. AI-driven analysis claims are unsubstantiated. Founders and leadership team anonymous, exhibits characteristics typical of potential scams. How does GPT Serax 5.0 work? GPT Serax 5.0 promotes itself as an all-in-one cryptocurrency trading platform but provides few concrete details on how its various components actually work together. From the available information, it seems to be a web-based platform with mobile apps. However, we weren't able to find the mobile app for the platform. The core premise is that GPT Serax 5.0 provides educational courses and video tutorials to teach crypto trading strategies for spot markets as well as derivatives like CFDs, futures, and options. However, there are no samples or previews of this educational content, making it difficult to assess its quality objectively. The platform claims to integrate with over 10 third-party providers of trading tools and analytics at no extra cost. But again, the specific tools are not clearly identified or described in terms of functionality. Empty marketing phrases like intuitive tools and AI-enhanced are used liberally without substantiation. GPT Serax 5.0 states it has a free registration model where they only make money from traded profits, not subscriber fees. The minimum deposit for trading is stated as $250. However, the commission rates, profit-sharing percentages, and other economic details are not disclosed. This lack of transparency raises questions. The platform also purportedly vets and provides access to premier cryptocurrency brokers, implying it is partnered with top providers. Yet no brokers are named, and no associated fee/pricing information is provided. It does not support trading BTC, LTC, ETH, and BCH cryptocurrencies. While GPT Serax 5.0 checks some boxes in terms of features, the complete lack of specifics or verifiable details makes it difficult to evaluate how the platform concretely works from start to finish. As presented, there are more marketing claims than facts about its functionality. GPT Serax 5.0 Top Features. Comprehensive educational resources. GPT Serax 5.0 claims to offer a vast library of educational courses and video tutorials covering crypto trading strategies for both spot markets and derivatives like CFDs, futures, and options. However, the lack of actual previews or samples makes it difficult to objectively assess the quality, depth, and effectiveness of these educational resources. Integrated third-party trading tools. According to GPT Serax 5.0, it provides integrated access to over 10 third-party providers of trading tools and analytics at no extra cost to users. Unfortunately, the platform does not clearly identify what specific tools are included or describe their functionality in any detail, leaving many questions about their usefulness. AI-powered trading insights. The platform touts the use of AI and big data analysis to generate enhanced trading research, insights, and risk management capabilities. However, no technical specifications or demonstrations are provided to back up these claims of leveraging advanced analytical methods. Premier broker access. GPT Serax 5.0 states that it vets and provides access to top-tier, regulated cryptocurrency brokers. However, the platform does not actually name any of these premier brokers nor provide any specifics around potential fees, pricing, account minimums, or other requirements. Multilingual customer support. A highlighted feature is 24/7 customer support across over 10 languages, including English, French, Spanish, and more. Global support could be valuable, but only if the staff is truly knowledgeable about the platform's offerings. Free registration model. GPT Serax 5.0 markets a free registration model in which the platform generates revenue only from traded profits, not subscriber fees. While intriguing, the actual pricing structure, commissions, profit-sharing percentages, or other economic details are not transparent. Visit GPT Serax 5.0. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. GPT Serax 5.0 Fees. The platform claims a free registration model where it does not charge subscriber fees, only generating revenue from traded profits. However, GPT Serax 5.0 is completely opaque about its actual pricing structure, commission rates, or profit-sharing percentages. This lack of fee transparency raises doubts and makes it impossible to evaluate the true costs involved. GPT Serax 5.0 Minimum deposit requirement. GPT Serax 5.0 states that a $250 minimum deposit is required to begin trading on the platform. While not excessive compared to some competitors, this still represents risk, given the uncertainties around the platform's legitimacy. Prudent users would be wise to start with an even smaller funding amount until they can properly vet the service. Is GPT Serax 5.0 a scam? Based on the information provided about GPT Serax 5.0 on the website, it exhibits numerous characteristics that should raise skepticism about whether it is a legitimate platform or potentially a scam operation. The complete lack of specifics or verifiable details around its educational content, trading tools, analytical capabilities, and economic model is a major red flag. Most of the marketing claims are vague and unsubstantiated. There is also no transparency into the identities of the third-party providers they claim to integrate with, nor any of the premier brokers they purportedly vet and provide access to. This anonymity is concerning. The website itself has a heavy promotional tone, with language that can be exaggerated or implausible. It liberally uses buzzwords like "I enhance" without clear explanations. While GPT Serax 5.0 could potentially be a legitimate platform, the complete absence of objective information means prospective users cannot realistically evaluate or verify most of the services being marketed. This opacity opens the door for it to potentially be a scam operation. Substantial third-party validation from reputable sources would be absolutely required before trusting this platform with any funds. As presented, the lack of transparency raises too many questions about this platform. Investors are advised to take all necessary precautions. How to use GPT Serax 5.0. Step 1. Register for an account. To get started with GPT Serax 5.0, you'll first need to register an account on their website or mobile app. The registration process requires providing some basic personal information, including full name, email address, and phone number. You may also need to create a username and password to log into your account. GPT Serax 5.0 states all user data is kept secure and private per GDPR guidelines. Step 2. Complete identity verification. After registering, the next step is to verify your identity, likely by providing documentation like a government-issued ID, proof of address, and potentially more personal financial information. Regulated brokers require this Know Your Customer (KYC) process. Step 3. Deposit funds and begin trading. Once your account is fully verified, you can deposit funds to start trading. GPT Serax 5.0 states the minimum deposit is $250. From here, you can access the educational courses, third-party tools, and broker platforms that the GPT Serax 5.0 service promises to integrate. While this process serves as a foundational guide, it's important to note that the platform's website doesn't share any details on getting started, and the actual process might be a bit different than what is mentioned here. How to delete a GPT Serax 5.0 account. There are no published instructions on the process for closing or deleting a GPT Serax 5.0 account. The likely step would be contacting their Claim 24/7 customer support available via email, chat, or phone. However, these communication channels seem to be available only for registered users. Non-registered users have the option to submit a form to get their queries resolved. This lack of transparency around account closure is an unfortunate omission that should raise concerns for users looking to discontinue. Have celebrities endorse GPT Serax 5.0? The GPT Serax 5.0 website does not mention any celebrity endorsements or partnerships for the platform. It only vaguely references positive reviews from unnamed financial analysts and bloggers. The absence of high-profile public endorsements further clouds the platform's credibility. Who is the founder of GPT Serax 5.0? No information is provided about the founder's leadership team or individuals behind the creation and operations of GPT Serax 5.0. This lack of transparency around the people running the service is highly unusual for a purported legitimate trading platform and education provider, raising additional red flags. Latest Bitcoin news. Bitcoin traded at $65,125 levels just days after the halving event, highlighting its steady performance. Standard Chartered has speculated that Bitcoin could reach $150 after halving. The verdict. While GPT Serax 5.0 markets an enticing array of cryptocurrency trading education, tools, and services, the extreme lack of transparency and verifiable information is a major red flag. Key details like pricing, integrated tools, broker, partners, and even the founders are completely opaque. The website is heavy on marketing claims but light on facts or third-party validation. Phrases like "I enhanced" are used liberally without substantiation. There are also no customer protections like investor insurance mentioned. Overall, GPT Serax 5.0 creates a fuzzy image of its services. The risks of signing up and depositing funds seem unclear. Substantial third-party vetting would be an absolute requirement before trusting this service with any capital. As presented, using GPT Serax 5.0 for your trading and education needs requires careful consideration. Visit GPT Serax 5.0. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. Fact. Is GPT Serax 5.0 available globally? According to the website, GPT Serax 5.0 states it is available in all countries globally, with the exception of the United States where it is restricted from operating. What is the minimum withdrawal amount? Unfortunately, there are no details provided anywhere regarding minimum withdrawal amounts or any potential fees for withdrawing funds from the GPT Serax 5.0 platform. Follow us on Google News.